Hey guys, welcome to today's item shop. We have a lot of good stuff that just came out in the item shop. So let's start off with Dream. That's right here. Let's not forget about the really cool backbling that this skin comes with and the harvesting tool that goes along with it. Plus this pretty cool wrap. Let's not forget about the glider, which is pretty awesome as well. And we also have this guy right here with its back bling, which I'm not a fan of that much. It's not as cool as the other one, but the skin itself is pretty neat. Now before I go on, I do want to mention that Yellow Jacket and Shadows is still available right now. So those two bundles are still available. Now luckily these skins just came back and they're pretty funny. I'm kind of a fan, kind of not a fan. It's those type of skins that I just don't know if I like them or I don't. Let's not forget about the harvesting tool that goes along with those skins. And here's one of the all-time favorites with its pretty cool back bling. Let's not forget about this skin right here. And yes, the back bling is pretty identical to the other one. Again, we've all seen this glider before and it's really nice. Recon Ranger is available right now. And of course, this skin right here. Let's not forget about our emotes, and this is one of those emotes that you must have. Let's not forget about this one or this one. And yes, right now we can get this pickaxe. And depending on your skin, this can go really well with your set. Last but not least, Captain America is still available. So you know what that means. The giveaway is still happening, guys. So don't forget to sign up for it. Now, Beach Bomber, that I am a fan of, just not the face that much. It's kind of weird to me. Looks almost like a mannequin type of thing. Just looks kind of weird to me. But everything else, the outfit, it's pretty awesome for that summer look. This is also under special offer, so this will last a few days. And obviously this does come with the glider to go along with everything. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.